Hey y'all, this is Cliff with the Dusty Cliffs, and today I wanted to talk to you a little bit. I went on eBay to look for some ferro rods to make up some fire kits. And while I was on there, I found somebody was selling char cloth, 5 pieces for $9.97. Now that reminded me that I need to make some more char cloth. And why not share that with you? So, let's make some char cloth, maybe play around with a few different ways to light it, and if you stick around to the end, maybe I'll show you a new gun for the backpack. So, y'all hold on, we'll be right back. Alright, now if you follow this channel, there's a very good chance you're the type of person that's already got a mess kit and a bunch of stuff stored in it for your get home bag. So part of my kit is my little Altoids tin with a little flint and steel, and this is, I keep some char cloth in there. Then I keep a couple extra pieces of, this is a 100% cotton bandana material. I keep some extra pieces in there because if you use the char cloth to make a fire, go ahead and make up some more char cloth or some kind of char material. Natural materials is what you want for the char. So we're going to make some right here. And you've probably seen 1,000 videos with this already, but you haven't seen me do it. So I carry a little bit of some tinder stuff in here. You don't want to see everything I got in there. You probably got that too. Alright. So I keep these cotton bandanas around mainly because I wipe my muzzle loaders down with them all the time. And, you know, used to, before the whole face covering thing, you could find these anywhere for a couple dollars for 3 or 4 of them in a pack. Right now it's a little harder to do that. That'll come back though. We'll get them again. So I just cut a piece of this off. Some guys might cut it a certain way or try to make it a certain shape, but I just cut a chunk is what I call it. Just cut you a chunk of bandana. As long as you can get you a chunk of bandana, we're going to make char cloth. Got our Altoids tin with a little hole poked in the top. So you just seat your cloth in there. And we're going to use the little Coleman stove right here because this is going to be a lot faster than going out and trying to build a fire and do it the old way. This is going to be a lot quicker, a lot easier. Ooh, too much. Now on this stove, it's not going to take very long because this thing's a lot more direct BTUs than a campfire. So you see if I can zoom in here. See? So I don't know if you can see it, but we're already getting some smoke out the top because we're just trying to take it down to its final element there, the stuff that's going to ignite real easy. And there we got our char cloth. Alright, so I'm going to take a piece of this and we're going to try to see if we can light it here real quick with the Ultimate Survival Technologies. This is a little fire starter that I got from Walmart for a couple bucks. So this is like a flint and steel. Oh, we got a good one already. Yeah, we're burning already. So there's not really a whole lot to making char cloth. And this might be something y'all already know and this might be boring to you, but it's good to get out and practice with this stuff. If you ain't done it in a while, get out and do something. Try this little flint and steel that came on this little survival keychain that my daughter got me. Okay, that worked real good. Alright, so I think that's enough with the char cloth. You get the point. It's easy to make at home. You don't need to go buy char cloth. But it is something good to have. So, moving on. Let's look at this new gun we got. Alright, this is my get home bag, survival bag, whatever you want to call it. This is what I carry all my stuff in if I had to hoof at home. And I've been wanting a takedown rifle to fit in here. And I finally got one, and most of you know what I'm getting ready to pull out of there. There it is. I've been wanting one of these for a while, the U.S. survival rifle. This is the Henry. I believe it's the AR-7. We're going to put it together just in case you want to hang out and watch. All the pieces and components just go right up here in the stock. While we're putting this little rifle together, y'all can take a second to hit that like and subscribe down there. I've been trying to come up with some better video ideas that somebody hasn't already done 100 times, but man, that's hard to do. It's like writing a song. It's hard to come up with something that hasn't been done already. So you just got to do it a different way. So I'm doing it the exact same way everybody else does. Well, look at that. I have not got to shoot this yet. Of course, it's got these this cool little sight set up on there. Got kind of a ghost ring and this big plastic blade sight up front. But I think it would definitely take out a squirrel, headshot on a groundhog. Man could eat. I don't think I'd really want to pull a self-defense situation with it unless I absolutely had to. But we got it for the backpack for a get home situation. In case the old man needs some protein. But it breaks down. I mean, it's not hard to break down, not hard to put together. Have not got to shoot it yet, just got it. So we're going to be doing some videos on this thing this summer, I'm sure. So I want y'all to come back, hang out with us a little bit. Hit that like and subscribe. Come on back, we'll talk again.